Very warm and pleasant good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are ready for your English class. But today, before starting the class, let's take a pledge that we will protect ourselves from the coronavirus by taking following precautions. This is the advice for the prevention of COVID-19. Wear mask. It is must to protect ourselves from coronavirus. Second, clean your hands properly either with soap or sanitizer. Third, regular checkup of temperature. And last is, which is most important, keep social distancing. These are the four steps by which we can throw coronavirus away from ourselves. So I repeat, wear a mask, wash your hands regularly, regular checkup of temperature, and keep social distancing. Thank you. And let's start our today's class. We were doing chapter 13, Great Achievers. Take out your book and open page number 94. Yes, students. Today we will study about Meera Shankar. Meera Shankar was appointed as India's first woman ambassador to the United States to succeed Ronan Sen, whose term has come to an end. Shankar will be the first serving diplomat to be posted to Washington more than 2 decades after K. Shankar Bajpai. She was India's first woman envoy to Germany. Envoy means she was the first woman ambassador to Germany. Key representative of United States and Indian business and industry. So she was the first woman ambassador to United States and she succeeded whom Ronan Sen, whose term has came to an end. She was the first serving diplomat to be posted to Washington more than 2 decades after K. Shankar Bajpai. And she was the first woman who was the ambassador to Germany, key representative of United States and India's business and industry. Indian American community, they have hailed her, they welcomed her appointment. The Indian diaspora in the United States fondly remembers her tenure as Minister Commerce in Washington in the 1990s under the Ambassador Siddharth Shankar Roy. She was part of a dream team of women diplomats serving under Ray. An Indian Foreign Service officer of the 1973 batch, she was the India's ambassador to Germany before being posted to United States. So she was the first woman ambassador to Germany before being posted to United States. Students, for the Meera Shankar, the word diplomat is used many times. Diplomat means she was the ambassador first posted to Washington more than 2 decades. Earlier she was in Germany and then she was posted to United States and she was the first Indian woman who was posted to United States as an ambassador, a person who represents the country abroad. I hope Meera Shankar Meera Shankar's biography is clear to everyone. Next come to Miss Tawakkul Karman. Tawakkul Karman is a 32-year-old journalist from Yemen. She led and organized the protest in Yemen against President Ali Abdullah Saleh. She has also been fighting ceaselessly. Ceaselessly means doing something without stopping. She fight non-stoppable for the freedom of India in the Arab country where autocracy reigns supreme. Autocracy means government in which one person has total power, and reign means ruling. So in Arab country, autocracy was ruling. She has been called by Yemenis the Iron Woman and the Mother of Revolution. She is the first Arab and the second Muslim woman to win a Nobel Prize. The Nobel Peace Prize being awarded to three women in 2011, recognizing extraordinary individuals effecting great changes around them. Women are leading the world in every sphere. So, Miss Tawakkul Karman, she is a 32-year-old journalist from Yemen. She belonged from Yemen, and she protests against the president Ali Abdullah Saleh. Why she protest? She protested for the freedom of media in Arab country where autocracy was ruling, where the government, a person in a government in which the one person has total power. And she was named as Iron Woman and Mother of Revolution. Why Mother of Revolution? Because she was the one who fight against the freedom of media, and she was responsible for bringing changes, and revolution means change. So that's why she was named as Mother of Revolution, and she was the first Arab and second Muslim lady to win a Nobel Prize. Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to three women in 2011 for the purpose of their efforts in bringing changes around them. And it is well said, women are leading the world in every sphere, in every, you can say, every field, women is excelling. Next is Simon Tata. Simon Tata, she is from Geneva. Okay, and she has been instrumental in changing a small subsidiary of Tata Oil Mills into the largest cosmetic brand in India, Lakme, synonymous today with India fashion. She became a part of Lakme during 1961 and responsible for turning the company into one of the biggest brand of fashion in India. At present, she is the chairperson of Trent Limited, a subsidiary of Tata Group. So Simon Tata, she was born in Geneva, Switzerland, and she had done her graduation from Geneva University. She joined Lakme brand when there was a small subsidiary of Tata Oil Mills, and she became the part of Lakme in 1962, and she was responsible for turning the company into one of the biggest brand of fashion in India. And at present she is the chairperson of Trent Limited, a subsidiary of Tata Group. Next is Malika Srinivasan. Malika Srinivasan, she is currently the director of TAFE Tractors and Farm Equipment. She was honored with the title of Business Woman of the Year during 2006 by the Economic Times. She joined the company in 1986, and she was responsible for accelerating the turnover from 85 crores to 2900 crores within a span of 2 decades. So Malika Srinivasan, she is the director of TAFE Tractors and Farm Equipment. She was honored with the title of Business Woman of the Year in 2006 by the Economic Times, and she was responsible for accelerating means increasing the turnover profit of that company from 85 crores to 2900 crores within a span of 10 years. Within 10 years, she raised the turnover from 85 crore to 2900 crores. So that's all we read about the famous personalities, famous women achievers, and you can see that women are leading the world in every sphere. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. and you all are encouraged to do something in your life. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.